Hi, future investors. Dito tayo ngayon sa Shaw Boulevard. Nasa site tayo ngayon ng Vista Shaw in Shaw Boulevard. Vista Shaw po is ready for occupancy na, so pwede na siyang tirahan. Alright, andito tayo sa model unit natin mismo sa Vista Shaw. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 toilet and bath din. So here, makita nyo living room. And ito pa yung kitchen natin. Diyan with the furnitures. Makikita nyo pa mayroong isa pang door dito because it's a combined unit. So, dalawang unit siya na pinagdikit. Na dalawang studio na kinonvert sa 2-bedroom. So, we have our toilet and bath here. Yung common toilet and bath natin. Right here. And here's our living room area. Ito nyo po dito. And this is one of our bedrooms. Ito maganda kasi meron siyang view ng Wakwak Golf Course. So, napakaganda ng view. Yan. So, here po we have window type aircon lang po dito. And now we're going po sa second bedroom. Which is the master's bedroom. This unit po is for sale. So, itong mismong unit na to is kasama. Pwede nyo pong code. So, yan. Meron tayong ditong balcony na napakalaki. So, Wakwak Village, Wakwak Golf Course po yung ating view dito. So, very nice view. Ayan, maganda. Very big size din yung ating balcony. So, pwedeng maglagay ng mga chairs and mga tables. So, here yung very generous master's bedroom natin. And then, meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. So, ito lang yung unit na dalawang toilet and bath. Yung other units, kahit 2-bedroom, 1 toilet and bath lang. Kasi since combined to. So, and if you want computation for this unit, isang unit na lang po ito. So, very special unit po siya. Napakaganda. 2-bedroom po siya. It's located on the 37th floor. So, near the, amenity floor, which is the 39th floor. Meron din tayong ditong indoor gym. So, if you're looking for a condo near yung Mega Mall or Ortigas na CBD and in Shaw Boulevard, nandito lang po si Vista Shaw. Ready for occupancy na po. We have this big discount po for spot cash and may mga move-in promo din po tayo. Just message us here kung gusto nyo po malaman yung mga computations and yung mga available units natin. Thank you.
All my pics, they scream my name just to get more clicks. Feeling legit.